Hello, welcome back. Quick updates, and that is why. So we had that move down, and actually here I was almost considering to close down the longs prematurely, and I will tell you why. So we had at the moment very bearish order flow. We had a lot of longs trying to get up with shorts pushing. We kept having bearish divergence very locally, even though we have bullish divergence on a higher time frame. And here I really was considering, should I close down the longs, because ES is also moving down heavily. Let's see that. So that lost that pivot, back tested it right now and is moving further down. And then we got this rise, but there's actually nothing bullish about this rise because so many shorts were here catching the new longs. They pushed through, all those shorts got stopped out. Oh, you don't see, sorry. So here there was a lot of shorts catching all the new longs. Then there was a move up pushing down all these shorts, so there's nothing really bullish about this right now. These are all shorts getting stopped out. Also, same thing happens on the BTC USDT pair. It's only now that we see more open interest following, but it's again mostly shorts pushing. So we backtested the previous day value area low, and I'm still considering, isn't it time to get out of this short, out of the longs, even though most of them it will be a small loss, but it will be much smaller than getting letting them get stopped out. And I'm wondering, isn't it just an emotional decision? And yes, maybe. For now we're getting back into this value area low of this whole range, but ES still is going down, and for me nothing about this move is bullish. So if we now can find a reason to bounce here with a good order flow, then it might be bullish that we reclaim this. But as of now, I'm still considering closing everything, all the longs, and waiting for more price action. Because if they are pushing so much, now a bunch of them has been stopped out. But market makers won't be stopped out and might be pushing again. All these longs probably haven't taken profits, so they will get stopped out if we go lower, pushing down the price even more. So then we have a cascade at 42. So maybe the wise thing to do is, if we lose the monthly, this daily, this value area low again, we can prematurely go out of the longs, wait for some strength, and then get back in, even though it's gonna be risky again. very locally. Even though it's a range, there's not many reasons to go back here. The only reason might be if we squeeze all the way up, but then leaving this part again. So would it be sensible if we lose this to get out of the longs, protect the rest of our capital? Still, since we are still in shorts, that doesn't really matter. Yes, keeps moving down. This might be one of these scenarios where the Friday is very bearish, then whole the weekend is in fear. And we stay low. So we need to have a plan, and the plan should be losing this, especially losing this, is getting out the longs. Even though our stop loss is right there, that's 650. Let's see how these trades are doing right now. So Bitcoin is back in profit. BTC. Apis back in profits. Link is at break even. Algo is still in profits. ICP is more or less break even. Axie more or less break even. We added more to our near short because our entry was actually over there, and it was 45 and we got to 46. Alpha is at a loss right now, but we still have some short running. This one is back at profits. AR is doing very well considering everything. Alice is at a loss. 1 inch is doing mediocre. So we're gonna see, but if the ES is dropping heavily, if Bitcoin loses the value area of this local range again, losing that monthly, losing the pitchfork, what's not to say that we go all the way back there and we can save a couple of $100 by getting out around there instead of getting out there, because that's still on I think 12-13 long positions. If that doesn't happen and this moves up, then okay, then we read this wrong and it was good not to act immediately out of fear. But we still don't like this move. There's nothing bullish about this move. If the bulls step in right now, then yes, we can get another push. and this was then just a failed attempt of some bears that quickly got stopped out. Yes, probably at the local CC. Yeah, right there. So it's normal that it stalls here, but as I said before, there's not really much happening in this section of the part of the chart. Losing the pivot, not even bouncing in on it, back test, back down. Bitcoin is now back at daily open. Another bunch of shorts getting stopped out. We do have a buying tail here, and we still have a naked view up, a naked session point of control there. With all the volume of this section. Let's see this one. Nina. One that we charted. So this is at the point of control right now. Oh, you can't see this. It's this one. Still bullish market structure on the 4 hours. Even on the 15 minutes. 5 minutes is local downtrends. But we will be happy to short this one in the near future. Maybe today. I still am in doubt how bullish this move is. Seems like a good short squeeze, that's for sure. But will they push it back down again? ES still moving, bouncing from that CC. One thing that could save us is that this part of the stock market futures, the stocks weren't open to trading. Then they opened, got a quick move down, and many times I've seen this before, that both the low and the high are retested during the open part of the stocks, of the stock market. So if this happens today, this might save us and get that full rotation on the local range on Bitcoin. Right now still shorts getting stopped out. Same on the USD pair, USDT pair. Nothing is just, it's not so bullish. Can I say? So to end this, I don't want this video to be too long. I will probably get out if we lose this one again, and I'll definitely take again, maybe 20% if we manage to get there. We still have this alert right here, so we might take profit right here, because then, as I showed before, we cleared up the charts for the naked point of control on the sessions. And if the ES then also starts moving down again, that would be another confluence to get out and wait for lower to get back in, or for some kind of signal of strength, and then we'll just long higher with some more certainty that the market will go up. That's it for now.